the Spritz cookie. We need flour. Dump it all in there. Baking powder, almond extract. As the flour gets coated, pick up the speed. Okay, we're going to take the press. You want to push the dough down in there so that you don't have bubbles. I've never made a first cookie that ever worked, so you can either bake it or throw it back, because when you get that dough, see, it's a mess. I throw it back. I have trees, poinsettias, snowflakes, add some colored sugar, and you're going to take these and bake them 400 degrees, 7 to 9 minutes. When they just barely start to get golden brown on the outside, they are done. Okay, teddy bear cookies. Combine your butter, your sugar, your egg, and your vanilla. Mix these until it's well combined. Then you're going to add the flour and the baking powder. Start off slowly, because flour explosion is what will happen if you don't. I have parchment paper. I'm going to take the dough and dump it out. I make a ball and karate chop it and take about half of it and throw it back in. We're going to take the melted chocolate and add that. Again, we're going to turn this on and mix that up. I'm going to take a scoop, roll it, put it down, press it. Do the opposite color. You want to cut in 4s. That's going to be the arms and legs. You must overlap the dough. We're going to make the head. You're going to take another ball. Again, overlap a little bit. And then the fun part, make him a couple of ears. Again, I alternate colors. Now for the nose, take the same color face. Make a little ball, put it where the nose should be, and push down a little bit. Then take the opposite color and make an even smaller ball and put it on top of that and press it down. So there you have your bears. These go in the oven 375, 8 to 10 minutes. They're fast, they're fun, and they're so good.